So today on the Fixit Shed, I'm going to take a look at this light switch, which doesn't appear to control anything. But there's actually a light up in the top of the garage where it's a storage area where I keep rain barrels in the wintertime, things like that. And I have a bad habit. When I go up, I turn the light switch on, and when I come down, I forget to turn it off. And it can end up being on for a week or more until I notice that it's been left on. So to remedy that, I purchased this timer switch. So now I can just turn it on for 10 minutes and the light will go on. I can do whatever I need to do up there, and when I come down, I can either shut it off manually or in 10 minutes it will shut itself off. So now I want to make sure that the power is off to this electrical box, so I'm going to go and turn the breaker off. So now that the power is out, let's take the cover off. Okay, so looking at the switch, the bottom wire comes from the outlet, the top wire goes up to the light. So I know that that's the direction of it, because if it was going the other way, if this was coming in from power, the outlet would be switched. The switch would turn the outlet on and off, and it does not do that. The outlet is on all the time. So power is coming in on the outlet side, coming across to the switch and going up to the light. So the bottom wire is the line and the top wire is the load. So we need to know that, because when you install the switch, there's markings on here for it wants the line at the top and the load at the bottom. All right, let's get the old switch out. All right, so now I'm going to loosen the terminals. Anyway, that is inserted under the screw. I'm going to tighten the screw down. Okay, that's on there nice and secure. And now we're going to do the load wire, which is going to go down here. All right, and that's in securely. And we want to tie in the ground wire here, loop that in. There's that. There we go. Include that in the wire. So we've got our ground wire attached. We have the load going up to the light, load wire going up to the light. We have the line coming in from the outlet. So we should be able to just snug this all back into place. So first I'm going to attach all these to the faceplate. And then we're going to try and get it all in place here. Yeah, so these tabs are going to be in the way for this faceplate. So if you were using a normal wall faceplate, these would probably fit just fine. But for this faceplate, they're in the way. So I'm going to break these tabs off. All these off. And I'm going to just bend these backwards. Alright, so after modifying these tabs a bit, now we can install the faceplate. You don't use these screw holes, but you can put this cover plate over it. There we go. There. And that'll hold it in place with this nut. And then we can put the screw for the outlet in. Alright, now I gotta make sure we have enough room for these wire nuts. Yeah, those are gonna move. They were behind the switch, and I'm gonna move them over so that they are behind the outlet. Hopefully that gives us enough clearance. That will be perfect. Alright, now we can screw the switch cover back in place. Alright, so now with the switch installed, I can just twist the timer and the light comes on, and if I forget to turn it off when I come back down, it'll turn off automatically in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Take care.